Hi there, and welcome to tutorial for Car Builder Sandbox Asset. First, you need a 3D model of vehicle. As you see, my car is made in Maya and I want to export it. First of all, I must be sure it's aligned by Z-axis. Also, I want to be sure it's made in real scale. So, you see the length between axles is near 2 meters. It's really okay for small Polo hatchback. Don't forget to check local scale, it must be 1. Second is the center point. It doesn't really matter for a body of vehicle, it might be anywhere, but for a wheel it's critically important. You must be sure that center point is right in the middle of the wheel. Now it's okay. Well, to export proper model, you need only two objects, the car body and just one wheel. I prefer to export as FBX format, but you can use any other format supported by Unity. Now it's done, and now we are ready to open the model in Unity.